Imagine transforming a still photo into an animated video effortlessly. With Pictory, you can upload a photo, choose a motion style, and get a fully finished video, including voiceover and captions. AI image to video works by taking a single photo and predicting motion, making it vibrant and dynamic. This process differs from text to video and text to image because you start with an image. Pictory simplifies this by allowing marketers and educators to animate photos quickly. To create a video, first upload your photo. Pictory analyzes it and identifies areas for animation. Next, select a motion style such as pan or zoom, and Pictory generates the clip. Then, add a voiceover by either typing a script or pasting one, while Pictory syncs the captions automatically. Enhance your video by adding music from a royalty-free library and personalizing it with your branding. Finally, export your video in the format suited for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Choosing the right tool matters. If you need a complete video quickly and affordably, Pictory is your best choice. You can even animate a photo for free with Pictory's trial, which is perfect for those just getting started. Sharp, well-lit photos yield the best results. Transforming a static photo into a dynamic asset can increase engagement significantly. This technique is perfect for marketers who manage their own content and need quick, impactful results. Try Pictory today for free and see how easy it is to create dynamic videos.